Today we're making special pancakes. We got strawberries and whipped cream, pancake mix, and oil, sugar, eggs, butter with this knife, and the milk and the pancake thing, and also the pancake things we also beat.
Okay.
First up, we're doing the eggs. Let's take out a spoon. And,
Wow. All right.
now let's go.
Next.
Now, I have to wash your hands again. My hands are clean. Mix the egg. Smash the egg. Now what's the next, Bobby?
It's the butter.
Let's get the butter. Give me the butter.
Just one scoop of the butter.
Okay, again, one scoop of butter. Yes. There. Stuck.
Okay, more.
Next is the sugar. Next is the sugar.
Yes.
Where's the spoon? Get out all the sugar. Get the sugar. Do this. Let me go. This is done. What's next, Mommy?
You put more.
Look at this, guys. It looks like a motor.
Looks like a molder.
Yeah, like a fake head move.
Okay.
Bye, butter. That's all?
About 5.
Okay.
3, 4.
The last scoop.
Okay.
That's all. I'm okay, guys.
And then
Now we're going to mix the things. Mix it. You will mix it so it gets get out.
okay. And then you put milk.
Yeah. Put on the milk. That's like my mommy put on the milk.
Oh yeah.
Now we mix it. So it gets until it gets all smushed out and no more things like these. Mix it very fast. Okay. Now we're going to put it in the Mickey Mouse. Now we're going to put our Mickey Mouse pancake mix thing.
Okay.
Now we're going, what is this one? We need 1,023 likes to get the subscribe button.
That Team Davis.
But TJ wins. You can get our shirt. we're going to I want to go to clay function. Please give us 1,000,000 likes to get some of the clay buttons, because there's a ton of clay buttons, but they're different.
Oh, I see. 1,000,000, 1,000 likes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give us that much, guys.
Alright.
Please. Okay, now start. Let's see. Now we're going to put some yeah. So, our pancake molder. So the pancake mix won't stick on it, but we have to, so we don't have to get look at a piece in half and try to get it out.
Yeah.
They went in there. Hello, guys.
Oh, you introduce your sister.
Hello. And I'm making Jacqueline the girl. Now I'm going to put in this pancake molder.
Okay.
Now we're going to get this tiny bit.
No, not too bad.
How is it?
That's hot. Okay, 1 scoop, 1 big scoop.
Okay.
Whoop, and then you put it there, in here. Go. Yeah. Okay, more. Whoop.
Now I can make it get some more. I will do it myself.
Oh yeah, you do it yourself, sorry. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. Mommy will
Now
help
we
you.
have to these things.
I know, no, I'll do it. I will. That's enough.
I found it too.
Okay, here.
Now I can find it. Of course, because Mommy said we can put even more. Scoop some.
Okay, cover it.
That was done.
Cover it now.
And cover it. It's burning.
It's burning. Now you twist it.
Okay.
The other side. Alrighty. Good job. Now what are we gonna do then?
Open it.
You gotta wait for a few minutes.
Now we're going to wait for a few minutes.
So how can you tell if it's already cooked, Charlotte?
When it's already very red.
Very red?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's not yet already red.
I see.
I can see the pancake mix trying to get out. The pancake mix. Open it. Oh my god. So hot. Very hot. Mommy, can I help you?
I will. Okay. Okay, can you do it?
Yeah. I'm going to get this. My mommy, where'd you find it?
We have like that. It's like a tong. Got it? There you go.
Okay, we got one.
Yay!
Make the perfect. Making the pancake in the way. Let's go see what's the back. I feel like it with the back.
How you like? Yeah, that's right. The back is better.
Give the pancake to me. Let's go fix it.
Who's your judge?
I am the judge. Now we're going to put the toppings. I am the judge.
Wait, you're gonna put some toppings.
The chop up the leaves.
Yeah, we need to. I help you.
We're going to put the flowers. You say welcome to Charlotte's channel. And Charlotte's video.
Charlotte's video. Yeah.
Or Charlotte's channel. Ache in the nose. get some hair. I got him hair. He has hair.
That's the hair.
Yeah.
Okay, what else you gonna put? Okay, ready? Go. Uh-oh, failed. No more.
They just want to make a splatter of that.
Yeah.
Because there's no more and it got built.
It's okay.
That built it.
Okay, who's your judge?
Angeline.
Angeline's your judge.
Taste the hair, please. Let me get a fork. Give me a fork. Okay. Angel.
All right.
Let it taste. I could not get up. I can't get it out. How hard is it cooking? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? You try. Is it good? Good. I would give this 9 out of 10.
Wow, 9 out of 10.
I want to try.
You also try.
You ate only the strawberry.
Okay, what's your judge? What's your judgment? You said 9 out of 10. So can you explain why it's 9 out of 10?
It's 9 out of 10 because it tastes good.
It tastes what?
Good.
How about the sweetness? Is it too sweet?
Little taste sweet.
A little too sweet? How about the consistency? Is it soft or hard?
Crunchy.
Crunchy. That's better. Okay, that's why it's 9 out of 10. So why it's not 10 over 10?
Because I was not good enough. I was good enough. I was good, but it was not good enough to go bigger.
Oh, so it's not perfect?
Yeah, it's a little perfect, but not too perfect.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
You they like and subscribe because they have the best channel.
Alright. Thank you.
Thanks. Wait, I have to catch it.
Oh, you have to do that.
Thanks for watching. Bye.